welcome back to my channel. Today's video is going to be me unboxing all the goodies I got from Ulta's Fall 2020 haul. They had some good deals. Like, I was really genuinely shocked. Most of the products I got are actually not for me. They will be for clients and people that I practice on. So I decided to film this video just so I could show some of like the basics that I actually got from another makeup artist, some of the basic products that she uses. I didn't go like full ham because I kind of have enough of like contour palettes, blushes, bronzers, highlighters, all that. I didn't need to get none of those products. I just needed to get more like foundation, concealer for different skin tones. So as of right now, I only have like a couple people that I'm actually practicing makeup on, and one of the girls is new. So first, I have picked up a tinted moisturizer from Colourpop. This is their Pretty Fresh Hyaluronic Tinted Moisturizer. I didn't get a foundation because I really like this tinted moisturizer. Like, I'm hoping that this matches her. I really think it will. The tinted moisturizer is able to be built up like and still look like skin. And if you're putting on, you know, concealer, like the whole face routine basically on top of doing this, like it still looks like you have a foundation, but like better because it's not like a thick cakey foundation. So alongside that, I did pick up two of the e.l.f. Camo concealers. These were actually not on sale. They were their regular $6 price. The Colourpop foundation was on sale. It was like $8. I think it's originally $14 or $15. So that was good. I probably should have just got a couple other shades, but I don't really know how this works on other people's skin yet. I just know how it worked on mine. But the two shades that I got in the concealers are Medium Sand and Deep Olive. I just picked up those two shades because I already have some shades that match like me, more of like a fair light skin tone. So yeah, I'm thinking those two that I got will match the people who I further want to practice on. So another thing I got is the Maybelline Ultra Brow Slim Pencil. This is like the perfect dupe for Anastasia, and it's only like $6 or something like that. It's definitely not $22. And I used to run through brow wigs, so I feel like for the price it's really not worth it. Like, don't get me wrong, it's a bomb brow pencil, but if you're doing your eyebrows every day, you're gonna run out of it so fast, and just rebuying it over and over is kind of like, really. So yeah, I really like this brow pencil. It's just as precise as Anastasia. And the other two things I got that were on sale were some Ardell Wispies. I got 817s and 811s. These were like originally almost $20. They were like $17, I think, and I got them for I think like 10, something like that. And like, this is perfect when you're using them on clients because it comes with multiples. So that's why I wanted to get those while they were on sale especially. And I also picked up another foundation brush. This is the e.l.f. buffing foundation brush. So the makeup artist said she actually uses the buffing powder brush as a foundation brush, but for whatever reason that was not on Ulta's website. So I just decided to get the foundation brush since it's, you know, really supposed to be for foundation. I'm hoping that it's just as good as the one that was supposed to be for a powder. And then we always have to have, you know, the nude essential lip liners for that nude lip that everyone loves. So I got the shade Chocolate from LA Girl, and this one is the shade Sugar and Spice. I'm hoping that this Sugar and Spice isn't like too light, because sometimes, you know, these little things can be deceiving. You don't really see until you put it on the face. But so another thing I picked up is L'Oreal Telescopic mascara. This is my favorite mascara. I swear by this mascara. As you see, it does justice, especially like I barely have any eyelashes, and this is without even curling my lashes. So yeah. I also just really like this because the wand is really small, so you can use it for your top and bottom lashes without struggling. Please excuse my broken nail. But anyways, I've been using this mascara for years, so every time I run out I get a new one, and it just so happened to be on sale, so I got a new one. And the last 3 things I got are actually for myself, but they're not makeup products. They had, if you bought a serum and a moisturizer, you got a face wash free, and I've been dying to try this Derma E brand. I've heard really good things about it, so I got their hydrating gentle skin cleanser. I almost got the acne cleanser because I've been breaking out like really bad, which is why I don't have on foundation. But I was thinking like, okay, you know, the acne stuff is normally tends to be for oily skin, and I don't have oily skin, I have dry skin, and it's about to be winter. This is anyways, it's about to be winter, so I just went ahead and got the hydrating one. But I did get their acne blemish control serum. It says it has tea tree oil, aloe vera, and salicylic, I don't know if that's how you say that word, so that word, acid, that's supposed to be, you know, good for pimples. So hopefully this will help clear my acne. I didn't really need a moisturizer, but I wanted to get the face wash for free because it's like $16. But so I just picked up the e.l.f. Holy Hydration face cream. I never tried this, but it had good reviews and it was only $12, so I was like, why not? Actually, I just want to, well, it's taped up, so I'm not even gonna bother opening it right now. But yeah, that's everything that I got from Ulta's fall haul. I'm not sure if the deals are still gonna be going on by the time I upload this video, but if it is, you should go spend some coin. You deserve it. And if it's not, then you're better than me because you didn't spend your coin. I know this was a short little quick video, but thank you for watching. If you did, if you stayed all the way to the end, hopefully you enjoyed it anyway. If so, thanks for watching. If you did not, I'm sorry. I'll come with something better next time. And I'll see you in my next video.